first of all, a very warm welcome to everyone for the bootcamp of our Innovate 2030 Innovation Challenge with a focus on sustainable consumption and production. You will now have the chance to further elaborate on your ideas, on your approaches in order to develop implementable solutions together with the company partner.
Good morning to all of you, of course. First of all, thank you very much for the invitation. I'm very happy to be here to discuss with you about two major issues, right? The first one is sustainable development goals and how to move towards those huge challenges. But then the other big transformation, the other big issue is the digitalization, artificial intelligence, machine learning, digital twins and all the rest. And we need to learn rapidly how to bring these two mega trends together. And therefore, I'm really happy to see how you are exactly working on that, bringing these two mega trends together.
Thank you very much for joining this Bootcamp session, and congratulations for you getting this far.
Welcome everyone. Yeah, it's a great opportunity speaking to you.
Thank you very much that you're participating in this session. I hope you'll have a good time.
So what we want to share with you today is how we can face the wicked problem in this area full of transformation.